grandma fell. The orthopedic surgeon explained that my grandma ruptured her Achilles tendon. Achilles! You know, Greek mythology, Homer's Iliad? Maybe not. I digress. As I was saying, my grandma fell. But that's not the story. The story is that she got up. We've all got a story. A lot of people only want to focus on your fall. Negative Nancy, that's super narrow. Bye, Felicia. You and me, we've got to focus. We've got to drown out the noise with awesome sauce. It's easy to fall, but the courage is in the ride.